Guys, so I recently tried a new hairstyle that is trending, which is finger coils on my natural hair. In this video I'm going to walk you through the process on how to get cute finger coils, or starter locks if you prefer to call it that. So I started off with freshly washed hair. Although my hair was still quite moist and soft, I decided to go in with a spritz of water around my hair because I'm going to use moisturizer and eco styling gel for styling. Before this, you'll want to comb through your natural hair to get rid of any tangles before styling, especially if you have really long hair or your natural hair is type 4 and is really prone to tangling. When styling my hair, I always start from the bottom up, using clips to move any stray hair out of the way. I'm making my part go right across, and I was really trying to make a straight line, well, as straight as you can if you really are trying to go for a clean look. Once that was done, I sectioned off square pieces of hair, clipping other sections of hair away. I used my choice of moisturizer first, then a pea size of Eco Styler gel, and applied it from the roots through to the ends of my hair. If you have much longer hair than I do, you can add more gel for better coverage to help with styling. Now I am taking the sectioned hair and whirling it around my finger to make a curly coil. Once it's coiled and you feel that the root is loose, you can go in again and tighten this up. For extra security, you can use clips to secure the base of the coil. Unfortunately, I did not have any at home, and I've been staying in due to the current pandemic. As you can see, these are really easy to do, and you can add your choice of moisturizer and then add the gel and smooth the section out before coiling your hair. You can even use your choice of oil or gel to achieve this finger coil hairstyle. I didn't really know what to expect from this look, especially after cutting my natural hair so short, which you guys can check out in my other video that I recently posted, which I will link down below in the description box for you guys. I tried to make my parts quite big because I started this process around midnight. Yes, really crazy of me, but sometimes it is the only time for me to style my hair without any distractions. Just a quick tip, if your hair feels dry when sectioning and parting, just mist some more water, but do not soak your hair if you want your hair to dry by morning. I purchased my spray bottle from AliExpress, and it honestly is the best spray bottle because it really does distribute water evenly and almost feels like a mist of water being sprayed all over, rather than a spray bottle that emits water like a water gun. I'm sure a lot of you naturals have these kind of spray bottles that you spritz and literally just a gush of water comes out, rather than a mist that is evenly distributed. So yeah, this was a good purchase for me. So I'm going in on the sides of my hair, and my sections are a bit more staggered, so they basically do not align with the lower bottom row. I think this gives the style a better and fuller look once completed. I think if I tried this finger coils again, I will use oil instead of moisturizer. I'm really not here for the white residue right now. I slightly wish that I had my long hair for this style, but this is also perfect for naturals who have short natural hair. Maybe you've just started your natural hair journey after your big chop and need a cute style to rock for school or work. This is definitely a good look. And for all you type 4 hair naturals, just like me, if you're thinking that, well, my hair is a bit too coarse for this or it's too thick for this, trust me, this style can also work with your hair pattern. And as you know, our natural hair tends to shrink, so for stretching purposes, be sure to use clips in your hair to help retain the length. You can leave these overnight and take them out in the morning. Hopefully it should keep the length of your hair quite long, depending on the length of your hair. Guys, just be prepared to spend a couple of hours doing this unless you have someone else to do it for you. I kid you not, it took me 3 hours, but I guess if not for filming the process, it probably would have taken less than 2 hours to complete. Yay, I'm almost through and near to the finish line. Does anybody else feel a sense of relief when you see the last small section of your hair left over? Like, honestly. And it's a wrap. I finally finished and so happy. As you can tell by the look on my face, it is over. So I let my finger coils dry overnight using a silk headscarf to secure and protect my hair while sleeping. For next day results, I would say that the style looks okay, but not as popping as it did when freshly done. A good way to revive your twist is by spritzing a bit of water and add some oil, which should add some life back into your coils. I hope you all enjoyed my finger coil tutorial, And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment down below if you like this video.